Viewers all over the world, welcome to another episode of Pillow Talk, building healthy relationship. Building healthy relationship. In my previous broadcast, I talked about God's purpose and plan concerning marriage. And there were three vital, points. I would like you to go back on my my previous broadcast to watch on that information. There were three vital, powerful information that I gave to us the other day, talking about as a man, you are preparing to get married. You want to go into this marital relationship union. I talk about where we saw in Genesis 24, or rather Genesis 2 and verse 24, where God talk about a man should live. A man should live. So there are three vital information in that passage of the Bible, talking about living, talking about cleaving, and talking about, one flesh. So as a man, you are leaving your father's family to build your own family. Please, I would like you to go back to that my previous broadcast and get that information. So, but today on Pillow Talk, remember Pillow Talk, we are on Pillow Talk 1.0, Pillow Talk 1.0. So today I want to talk on something very, very important that will help your marriage. Today I'm talking about couples. I'm talking about people that are into marriage. You are already there. It's not as if you want to get married, because you see, this information will help you to understand or to build a healthy marital life with your partner. Be you a man, be you a woman, you are into this already. You are in it. You see, so today I want to talk about what I captioned the force of understanding. Listen to me, understanding is a force. Understanding is a force that will help you to build a healthy relationship and to keep your marriage moving. You see, love is very, very important. A lot of people have been talking about love. Love is good because God himself is love. But as much as you want to apply love, the ingredient of love, child of God, I want you to understand, you, that man, that woman watching me right now, you are going through some marital crisis and it's like, oh, I don't think I can take it anymore. Listen to me. What you need is understanding. Understanding is a vital force that will help you. I'm not saying love is not good, but understanding is better. So understanding will help you, to know who your partner is. The character. Because why a lot of marriages are having problems today is as a result of lack of what? Understanding. A temperament is something that you were born with. So there is something in you that you cannot just help. That is your temperament, because you were born with it. You are coming from somewhere. So there are some things in you. And we have 4 classes of temperaments. You may as well call them 4 types of temperaments. Proverbs chapter number 30, when you start reading from verse 11 to 14, gives you a lowdown of these different temperaments. Everyone have their different temperaments. So, see you now coming as one. So what happened at this time? You need understanding. We have classes of temperament. I've been able to, to mention some of them here, and I want to mention them to you. We have sanguine, we have choleric, we have melancholy, and we have phlegmatic. These are 4 temperaments that we have. So no matter your own temperament as a man, as a woman, you've come with it because you were born with it. and you've entered this relationship now. This is where you are now. So what do? You need to understand your partner weakness and strength. That is where understanding comes in. Understanding this person's weakness and the person's strength will help you to flow in your marital relationship. Will help you to move on. We have a lot of cases of divorce today because people have failed to understand their partner. God was speaking to Apostle Paul. When you read 2 Corinthians 12 and verse 9, he was telling Paul that I understand your temperament. I know you have so much weaknesses. There are so many weaknesses in you as a man, as a human being, you know. He said, but my strength makes perfect in weakness. My strength makes perfect in weakness. The strength of God is what perfects every weak temperament. So what are you supposed to do? Having understanding your spouse, having understanding this person, that you've come into this relationship, holy matrimony. God brought you people together. You are coming from somewhere. You are coming from another family, and the other person is coming from somewhere. But now you are one. So how do you go about it? Seeing that there are a lot of weaknesses in the life of this fellow. There is a lot of weaknesses in the life of this person. You call your husband. You call your wife. Child of God. You are to take that person back to the Creator. And how do you do that? The place of prayer cannot be overemphasized. Oh, come on. We cannot look down at the altar of prayer. We can't look down on it. You are to go back, because God is the only one that can turn any weak thing to strength. God, by His infinite mercy and strength, divine strength, is rebuilding and building your marriage. In the mighty name of Jesus, I pray for the force of understanding to take over your home, to take over your marriage. It is a beautiful union. Don't break it. God bless you. I remain Prophetess Tekle Arinze until I come your way again on Pillow Talk. Shalom.